Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. You're most welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how you can perform text analysis using ChatGPT. Text analysis using ChatGPT. In our last tutorial, I showed us what ChatGPT is about and what it can be used for. So if you'd like to catch up on that video, I will drop a link to that video in the descriptions. So thank you. Without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. So for this tutorial, I'll be opening the chat GPT website, which is chat.openai.com. All right. So once you have opened a prompt tab, you can now go ahead and begin to drop your questions where the cursor is. All right, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to be grabbing this Excel data that I've prepared. So I prepared it specifically for the tutorial. So I'll just copy it. So I'll just copy it and I'll head back to my chat GPT and I'm going to drop it right here. And then I will hit the enter button. Then I'll wait for chat GPT to begin to give me the analysis. All right. So it says this data represents the total sales and profit made in each month of the year. The values given are in thousands of dollars, right? So this is just, I have not asked it to give me any specific analysis. I just dropped the data and it's able to, you know, um, give us a hint, about what the data set is about. That is cool, right? Now let me show you further um, things that chat GPT is able to do. So let's be specific. Let's say give me the okay, give me the descriptive. Oh, sorry, give me the descriptive analysis of the data, and then you hit enter. So here is a descriptive analysis of the data, total sales. Okay, it's going to give us all of those stuff. The profit ranges from minimum of 60 in March to maximum of 495 in December, and all of this, right? Guys, this is awesome. I don't know what you think, but I think this is really cool, right? So you can still, oh, okay, um, still typing. I think it's done, right? So if you don't like this specific response that you have gotten, you can, click on regenerate response and it will give you another response. Let me just show you, right? So you can see, like, probably gives you a response that you don't like it, you can just click on regenerate response and it will, give you something entirely new. And I think that is totally cool. I love it, right? I love it. This is awesome. This is good. Wow. So it has stopped giving us response now. So you can go further. Whatever analysis you have in mind, whatever analysis you want to do, please go ahead and drop it. Okay. So I'm also going to go a step further. I'm going to ask chat GPT to give me the data in a table. All right. So I want it to arrange including serial number. So I want chat GPT to help me rearrange the data that I dropped, but this time around I want it to include serial number. So I just hit the enter button. So give me the data in a table including serial number. Okay, so you can see. All right. Wow. Okay. Okay. This is this is wow. Right. Right. Guys, you can see. This is amazing, right? This is amazing. So it has, rearranged the data. If you recall, the data that I dropped, which is this one, doesn't have serial number. So just in case maybe you need serial number in your own data, you can just ask it to give you and it will. Oh, this is awesome. So it has rearranged it, including serial number from 1 to 12 there. This is awesome. So guys, please get yourself a data set. Come here. If you don't have an account, just type chat.openai.com. I'm going to drop the link to this wonderful chat box in the description. So go ahead, create an account, get yourself a data set and come and play around with it and see the magic that this chatbot is able to do. I mean, it's simply awesome. All right. However, it doesn't have the capability to give visuals. What I mean by visuals is, it cannot give you, pie chart, bar charts, or, those kind of, visuals. All right. So let me show you guys. So um, if I ask you to say, give me the, pie chart, give me the pie chart of the data. So it's not going to be able to give us that. All right. So it says, I'm sorry, I'm a text-based AI model. It doesn't have the capability to create a visual chart. All right. So guys, you cannot do visuals using chat GPT. All right. But when it comes to text analysis, you can go to any extent. Right. So another thing that I discovered is because there are a lot of people trying this cool stuff out. When you try analyzing a big data set, what I mean by a big data set, if you have a data set of say 500,000 or 1 million rows, it's going to take you a very long time. All right, so that your system doesn't crash, I would advise that you don't try analyzing a big data set, at least for now, except if your machine has the capability to carry out such a big analysis. So guys, this is it. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can be notified when we post new videos like this in the future. See you in the next one. Thank you.